Guys, check this out. This is really unique. This is a kind of a roll-off lift truck. This is where they're sleeping right here. But this whole box right here, which was on the back of this truck, goes down to ground level, and all the supplies for the race vehicles are in here. And on top, they have rooftop tents.
So we're the official lubricant of King of the Baggers, Motul USA. We're here in the garage conducting some R&D. We have our RBF 700. This is specifically a racing formulation of brake products. We put these products through rigorous testing through Dakar, through MotoGP, and now King of the Baggers. So that way when we get those products to the shelves to the consumer, they're race-proven, championship-winning products.
4 rooftop tents, probably sleep 8 people in there. But the thing that's really unique is I've never seen one that has the ability to be dropped down on the ground, so you're not climbing up a ladder to get to it. Like this one right here. This is what it normally looks like. And it does have the ability to drop it on the ground. Nice Raptor. This is pretty cool. This is a Sherco. It's an adventure bike. Looks like it's about a 125cc. Looks really well built. I can't say that I've ever seen one before, but from a distance I thought it was a trial bike. But you come up closer and it looks like an adventure bike that you could pretty much take anywhere. Little 125. It looks like a Yamaha TTR 125 or XR 200 sized machine. And they do have a factory race team here with the 450s. Sherco, check them out. Suspension looks insane. Look at the suspension on that DLC coated green. Just awesome.
Your bags in here.
Look at that, huh?
We got all the Motul in here, all the 300V, loads of tires in here, extra parts, bars.
Hanging from the ceiling.
Master cylinders.
Packed with everything they need. Keep a factory
Tires
team. Wow. 2, 4, 6, 8. About 20 sets of tires up there. That's the Sherco factory race bike. Beautiful bike. Wow. Really nice.
Is it okay if we film a little bit? Yeah. Okay.
Look at this thing, just beautiful. This is a full-on factory rally race bike by Sherco. The suspension on it is just beautiful. Green DLC coated. Blue hubs, black XLs, titanium Akrapovic. Just beautiful. The bike looks brand new, but it's been through 3,000 miles of desert racing. Testimony to the quality of the bike and the men spinning the wrenches behind here. Dream, dare, live it. I don't know who the Sherco dealer is in Connecticut, but if there's not one, this is a brand I'd like to pick up for the shop. I like the rally bike they have out there, and these are awesome. Really well done. That looks like serious A-kick suspension here, for sure. The frame looks really beefy on it. These rally trucks.